Hello everyone, I am Prajwal P. I welcome you all for my internship seminar on the topic automobile price prediction using machine learning under the guidance of Professor Kavya Ravishankar ma'am. Let's move on to the contents. It includes a brief introduction about the company, the work done I have completed there, and the project process, and the results and conclusion about the internship and internship certificate completion certificate. About the company, the name of the company is Innovation Creation Solutions, which is a digital service provider that aims to provide software designing, marketing, and solutions to the individuals and businesses. They provide all kinds of technological and designing solutions, from billing software to web designs or any custom demand that you may have. Their services includes web development, digital marketing, graphic designing, consultancy, video editing, and animations. Coming to the work done, the main problem statement is automobile sales are on a global increase, so there is a need for car price prediction based on its features and attributes using machine learning models and selecting the best among it. The objective is to predict the price of a car by training different machine learning regression models based on the given dataset and evaluate the performance of the individual models. In the internship, we learned about the concepts of machine learning using Python and the libraries which are to be imported to certain functions and operations, which are NumPy used for multidimensional array and data matrices, Pandas built on NumPy for faster analysis and data cleaning, Matplotlib for plotting library for creating static, interactive, and animated data visualization, Seaborn based on Matplotlib used for different kinds of plots. Then we learned about the machine learning, types of machine learning, supervised learning, unsupervised learning, reinforcement learning, and some of the algorithms which we learned are linear regression, gradient descent, logistic regression, support vector machines, decision trees, random forest. The work done is divided into 4 parts. Data preprocessing. Data preprocessing is also known as data cleaning, is the main process which is the data is subjected to various checks and serenity in order to remedy the issues of missing values, spelling errors, normalizing, standardizing values that in such a way they are comparable. Data visualization. Data visualization is the process of communicating and translating data and information in a visual context, usually employing a graph, chart, bar, or other visual aid. Visualization also uses images to communicate the relationships between various sets of data. Data visualization is also called as information visualization. We have also used Matplotlib and Seaborn for data visualization. Training and testing. In the development of machine learning models, it is desirable that the trained model performs well on new, unseen data. The available data is subject to the data splitting, whereby it is split into 2 portions. Particularly, the first portion is larger, the data set that is used to training set, and the second is normally a smaller subset and used as testing set. It should be noted that such split is performed only once. Next, the training set is used to build a predictive model, which such and trained model is then applied on testing set to make the predictions. Model building. Depending on the data type of target variable, we are either going to be building a classification or regression model. We build the models based on regression algorithms such as linear regression, AdaBoost regression, XtraTree, and random forest. Selection of the best model is made on the basis of model's performance on the testing set, in which we got random forest model as the highest accuracy for prediction. The project phase process. Cleaning. Cleaning the data set that is pre-processing step and replacing the null values and with meaningful data, and exploratory data analysis. It is performed in order to gain a preliminary understanding and allow us to get acquainted with the data set, that is the data visualization. Train, obtaining the data analysis and loading the training and testing sets to the model. Evaluate, evaluating the each model's accuracy, and conclude. And finally, the every model differs from each other, so the best model is selected which provides the best performance. Coming to the results and conclusions, from the project we have done, we conclude that we can nearly predict the price of a car based on certain features and its attributes. We have used 4 different machine learning models to predict the price and selecting the best among them. We got random forest regression model as the best result compared to the other models. These are the models with their accuracies. The random forest regression version, which gave us 92%, Adabos regression algorithm, which gave us 92%, which is less than random forest, linear regression, which gave 90% of the accuracy. Extra-tree version was the least among these 4, which gave 83% of the accuracy. For further improvements, the accuracy of the predictions can be further increased by dropping the unwanted entities and also by increasing the training data. Skills acquired. Technical skills I acquired in this internship are gained hands-on experience on machine learning, gained experience on Python environment and the IDE, that is Anaconda, data analysis, and code optimization. The non-technical skills I acquired are time management skills, responsibility handling, email writing, critical thinking, and improved problem solving. This is my internship certificate, which I have earned. And thank you. Thank you, one and all.